Anything?
Baby little Becca.
I get it. He's left alive.
I'm gonna pick on Chad.
Feeling blessed, never stressed.
Okay, hi everyone. Thank you for coming out to ASA's virtual bonfire. So I want to start off with an icebreaker.
Okay, so the first icebreaker we're gonna be playing is called Storyline, and we're gonna be breaking off into breakout rooms, and then within the breakout room, we're gonna number off each person, so there's like a speaking order, because the theme of the game Storyline is a scary campfire story, so each person is gonna add one line to the story, and then a board member is going to type it up, and then at the end of the 8 minutes we're all going to come back together in the big room, and then we're going to share our spooky stories to each other. So
okay, here we go. Ready? Are you ready for this?
Okay.
It was a cold and dark night at the beach. The wind was howling.
Oh.
I was howling.
What?
No, don't say I was howling. The wind was howling. So were the wolves. That's my sentence. Okay, I popcorn to David.
Wait, I have no idea what you said.
Okay, once upon a time, Mire walks into a bar.
In the bar, she saw Jeffrey Goldblum there.
Okay. After he saw Jeff Goldblum, wait, was he in Thor? I don't remember. He realized that she was in the Thor movie.
Jeff. Okay, she saw Jeff, and he was holding a giant box.
And we're in a cave, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
The group then hears a really creepy sound in the cave.
Oh, there's
So there's something in the cave.
So he starts, or he or she or they start breakdancing.
Oh, looks like they all start.
Oh, all? Okay.
There's 13 of us.
Hey, hold on, don't touch that yogurt.
Suddenly, the passed out ABSO member screams.
As I start breakdancing, Jeff Goldblum's spirit exits my body.
There's like 5 people left alive.
5 people, okay.
So the next icebreaker we're going to play is called I Spy, and we're also going to be split up into breakout rooms, and one person will be the designated spyer. You will look through the background of everyone with their camera on, and you will choose an item to spy. So an example would be I spy something blue.
is it the blue beach background in Min's video?
No.
And then people would just keep guessing.
Yes, and then whoever is the first person to correctly spy the item will become the next person to choose what to spy.
I spy a container that fills up with water.
Is it Alvin's hydro flask?
Yes. Oh, how do you know?
Okay, so
Okay. Something black.
Is it my headphones?
No.
Is it my headphones?
No.
Or my headphones? Wow. Wow.
I spy something yellow.
Is it Naruto on Armin's shirt?
Yeah, what the heck?
What? You're so good!
I spy some sunglasses.
are they my sunglasses or JV's?
Or Lynn? Lynn?
Yep.
Yeah,
Lynn.
So from now until basically like 7:50, there's like 3 options. So one of them is like you could stay on like the main call right here, and we could all play like Mafia or something, like just talking more. One more breakout room for people who want to play Among Us, and then another breakout room if you want to play, I think it's called Scriblio or...
I think I have a problem.
Oh no. Dude.
Got it.
Oh, whoa.
Why would I tell you?
Happy birthday,
Everyone say happy
Ryan.
birthday to Ryan.
Thank
Hey,
you.
Ryan.
Pretty shy of a thank you though.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's yellow. I saw him kill on cams.
I believe it.
100%.
He tried gaining our trust by not killing that boy in security, but I think it's him because that's his
It's
tactic.
100%. I saw him kill by, I think, the top right camera, navigation.
I reported. Kevin, you're gonna win it for me, right?
Okay, I hope y'all had fun. Thank you all. But I'm really grateful that y'all came out and like I hope y'all had fun. Hopefully you'll come out to more events and like GBM because it'll be just as fun. Before like I let y'all unmute and like talk, I wanted to take a picture. So